The day is finally here. The wait has now ended. We are just beginning the no code revolution, and you are a part of it. Now, as a part of this revolution, you will have to think like a no code developer. We have developed a few mantras for you to follow and become a no coder. Let's dive right in. So, firstly, you will have to open your creative mindset. It's very important for you to have a broad mindset so that you can approach different ideas with all creativity. A little imagination goes a long way. Secondly, logic building. This is one aspect you cannot cheap out upon. This is so important because this will be the core of your app, your functionality, how the app looks, and how the consumers take it and use it. It's important to know that logic cannot be built overnight. This is something that comes only with practice. But we'll give you enough resources for you to start your logic building journey. Third is creating a business perspective. As a developer, you will encounter multiple different business problems. I myself have dealt with a restaurant, a real estate manager, and a mechanical engineer differently. But technically, all of them have similar logic problems, but you need to deal with them in a different perspective altogether. Lastly, modernizing processes. You know what I mean. So, your app or your system that you have developed should improve the processes that your end user is going through. Only then they will want to stick to your app and keep using it all the time. This also includes reducing the amount of work they do, reducing paperwork, whatever you feel like. But it should modernize the process. These mantras are the difference between a standard no coder and a standout no coder. You must be asking, why should you follow these? This is coming from our experience, and I'll tell you a few reasons. Firstly, it gives you a quick turnaround time. Standard app development with code or without takes 6 weeks or more. With code, of course, it takes 3 months or more. Now, in this case, if you follow this and practice our methodology, you can do it in 3 to 4 weeks, and eventually you can reduce the time even more. Secondly, it empowers non-technical people, non-coders, or even coders, and makes you independent of anybody else. You can take your app building journey from start to end on your own. The most important aspect out of this is going to be you will make money. I know how important that can be. So let me tell you how. Basically, you can improve the process at your workspace and get a promotion. You can create a side project and earn passive income through that. You can also take a freelance journey, and opportunities are endless. Speaking from personal experience, having built over 100 different apps via no code, I've realized that no code not only saves time, but it eliminates stress. And who the hell likes stress anyways? Additionally, it also helps businesses reach optimal efficiency. I've seen lots of processes driven by shabby, paper driven processes and now built over sophisticated Glide apps and pages which are fully automated using no code. Glide? You must be wondering, what is this term? Don't worry, we are going to cover this throughout the course, and this is the platform that you're going to spend your next few weeks on. So let's immerse ourselves into the journey of learning how to glide, or as we like to call it, gliding. But before we learn how to glide, let's talk about the course structure and break it down into different modules. The first module is going to be preparing for your flight. Over here, we are going to be talking about why do we do no code, what is the difference between no code and low code, why glide, and why are we the right people to teach you glide. Secondly, we are going to be diving deeper into setting the itinerary. Over here, we are going to be sharing a trusted no code development process that we have created and we have stuck to in the last 2 years, along with the mistakes that we have done, etc. etc. This is the most important part of your course, and if you do it well, you'll be able to develop apps very smoothly. After that, we'll be learning how to glide. Over here, we are going to be setting up the Glide accounts. We are understanding what the platform looks like, what different aspects do, etc. Over here, we are also going to be setting up accounts on Notion, Whimsical, and Zapier, which are other few small no-code tools. After this, we have modules 4 to 8, where you will glide away with one of our certified glide experts. Over here, we have various different scenarios where we are building various different apps for different use cases so that we prepare you for all kinds of versatility. On a side note, keep an eye out for the extra additions that we have to offer, such as webinars. Here, we have some live bonuses that we have to offer. live interactive sessions and action items. And lastly, opportunities for jobs and internships. You do not want to miss out on any of these. Also, did I mention that we have 4 Glide certified experts? So don't worry, you are in safe hands. Now, enough about me. I would love to know more about you. What brought you to this course? Why do you want to learn building with no code? Tell me your motivation in the comments below and fill it thoroughly. I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.